Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cake toppers with Cricut Air 2. First, open Cricut Design Space and select your desired design. You can add text, shapes, and images to personalize it. Ensure your design is sized appropriately for your cake, typically between 5 and 8 inches wide. Remember to weld or attach all layers together so your Cricut cuts it as one cohesive piece, saving you time and material. Next, let's talk materials. For sturdy toppers, use heavy cardstock, glitter paper, or even thin wood veneer. Place your chosen material onto a light grip or standard grip cutting mat. Use a brayer or scraper tool to smooth out any air bubbles, ensuring it adheres well. For extra security, especially with intricate designs, you can use painter's tape around the edges of your material. Now it's time to cut. In Cricut Design Space, select the appropriate material setting for what you're using, like glitter cardstock or heavy cardstock. Load your prepared mat into the Cricut Air 2 machine. Once the machine is ready, press the flashing Go button. After the cut is complete, carefully unload the mat and gently peel your intricate cake topper design away from the mat to avoid tearing. Finally, let's assemble your beautiful creation. If your design has multiple layers, carefully stack and adhere them using hot glue or a strong craft adhesive for a three-dimensional look. Next, attach a food-safe stick or skewer to the back of your topper. Position it so it's centered and secure. Allow the adhesive to dry completely for at least 30 minutes before placing your custom cake topper on your delicious cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.